Hi guys! Last time we talked about the differences in the tin, the paint, the matte versus the gloss in the original, the print being larger, the core size being larger at 3.8 versus a 3.3, the low level of dust that you will get with this pencil, the eco-friendly wood, the soft sharpening ability. I left you at the point of the colors. Of course, the colors are the most important thing. So let's take a look at the set swatched so that you can see exactly what you're getting. Okay, we'll start with the first rose. Now this is on a swatching comp that comes with the set. Now with the swatching comp, you color in the outside. Then you use an X-Acto knife or a razor blade. Be careful you don't cut yourself. And you cut out the inside. By doing so, you're able to take other sets of pencils and match up your colors. So say you want to see what orange yellow looks like against the rose red, which is the first one. You can move that around until you get a color combination that you like. It's very easy to see that our colors are not the same, which has been a problem with so many other sets out there that the colors duplicate themselves. Our colors do not duplicate themselves. The set is built on the ability to create analogous color blends so that your pictures come to life and you're able to do blending and shadowing much easier. So here we have the red rose, magenta rose, vanity pink, strawberry, tiger lily, and coral salmon. Moving into the ROs, which is the red oranges, you got chili, Georgia peach, peach orange. Now we're getting into the orange based, where we have creamsicle, tawny, mango. Okay, now we have the yellow oranges. We have marigold, apricot, cantaloupe. Look how pretty these three. I hope it comes out in the light, and how easily it would be able to blend these three colors into each other. I think that lighting is a little better. It was a little dark in here. Okay, so you have your light, your medium, and your dark. Okay, you have yellow ochre, egg yolk, and mace. Canary yellow, cheap blonde, not quite white. Grasshopper, Easter grass, and lemon chartreuse. Lorry green, spring green, apple green. Look how beautiful these colors would look together. Winter green, alien green, pale sage. Blue melody, aquamarine, blue mist, galaxy blue, Pacific blue. This color is gorgeous. Aquaman. Blue whale, tropical blue, navy blue. Nanny blue. Nanny blue. Blueberry blue. Deep ocean blue, and frozen. Can you see these colors blending together and how easy that would be? Nova purple, lilac heather, sea fog, violet, plum, wisteria. Boysenberry, magenta, mauve. Razzleberry, garnet, pink fuchsia. Ladybug, carrot orange, sunshine dawn, green, blue, mid-violet. And that's the first page. And that takes you up to 60 jeweled. Then you have a second one. Red wine, butterscotch. These are the jeweled colors. Red wine, golden butterscotch, jewel purple, principal purple, hemlock, and blue cotton candy. Sophia pink, destiny pink, Himalayan pink, vintage vermilion, and locks. I think that these three and locks would go perfect, and these two with locks as the third would be perfect, because locks is kind of a combination. It's got some orange in it. It's like a pink orange. Candlelight, pickle, jade, avocado, green ochre, midnight, brigantine, early morning sky, cerulean, agilian, outrage, cornflower, royal purple. Gray violet, midsummer pink, pink cotton candy, Ryla pink, And look how beautiful these three would go. And these are under the skin tones. And I'm going to tell you something about it in just a second. Flesh, peach, light peach, palomino, coffee cream, yellow peach, sienna brown light, beige, barbecue, terracotta, burnt sienna, good earth, tree bark, burnt ochre, spearmint, misty morning, ginger root, light clay rose. Now, these are all your skin tones, all your S's, and your CCs, which are your color correctors. These colors here are so different than anything that comes out of China. And I think it's a cultural thing where a lot of Chinese art, you want to think about very floral. Okay, it's the same thing with Japanese art. They're very floral colors, and that's what they value. It's very hard to find a good tan coming out of China, and I had to grab every one that I could get. And when I put it together and I started drawing with it, these colors are beautiful together, and you're going to be able to reach just about any range of color, any skin tone, just by blending up these. My favorite one is the Palomino, and that's unique to this set. And with that, you could take that in many different directions. It's very, like, you could do a yellow undertone. You can do the beginnings of black skin if you start going in the black direction, or it could be the darker color for the lighter skin. So that's a very good color. Okay, so we're on Indigo. I'm missing the sepia, and that's because, and only because, you guys won't be missing sepia. I got my set early and they hadn't produced the sepia yet. So they skipped the sepia. Andy's going to send them to me. My set is not like a for sale set. My sets were like the demo sets. So that's in the mail to me. And it was because he needed to get the pencils to me quick so I could start doing the demos. We got French Gray, French Gray 2, French Gray 3, French Gray 4, Warm Gray 1, Warm Gray, Black, Blue, and Green Gray. So those are the colors that you're going to be getting in this set. Now, I had a lot of people that asked, well, how do they compare to the Starjoy originals? Well, they're completely different pencils. It's like comparing an apple and an orange if the orange is slightly red and the apple has that golden orange color. It's never going to taste the same. So these pencils are not Starjoy original pencils. The way I chose the colors, well, first off, I didn't even consider the Starjoy originals. At that time, I did not know that Andy was not going to be producing it. I'm very glad I made the decision that I did not to look at it, because what I wanted to do is develop a set that was good. And I did not care if it was using the same color, not using the same color, because basically you're choosing from the same 500-600 colors that everybody chooses from. It's not the pencil, it's the pigment. And then the pigments go into the different pencils to create the pencil. So there's just a finite number of pigments that you can get in China. There's a lot of them to choose from, don't get me wrong. And then you make your pencil from that. You add in your own, binders and stuff to make the pencil. I took no other pencil set into consideration. This was colors that I chose that I thought were going to go best together. It just worked out. I have some numbers to crunch for you. There's 120 pencils in this set. 45 of them, of the 120, are matches. That's your basic colors. Everybody needs a burnt sienna. They need a magenta. You need a yellow, a canary yellow. You need some basic core pencils, because if this is your first set, you don't have anything to fall back on. You need your reds. It needs to be a complete set. So I did choose 45 colors that make up a basic set. I could take those 45 colors, put them on the side, and say, make a set. This is a basic set. And just use these colors. Okay, so that's 45 out of 120. 75 pencils, which is the number of pencils left over, were divided up into two. One were completely unique colors. They don't appear anywhere else. So that's 46 of them. 29 of them were analogous matches. And this is only if you have Starjoy originals. When you get your Starjoy Gold Edition, you're gonna have 29 pencils that are gonna fit. 1, 2, 3, and if there was another one, I would make it a fourth. So you're gonna have pencils to add into your analogous trios. So say you're working on a picture and you have 5 tonal values or 4 tonal values to work with within the pencils. That will bring your picture to life, even though 3 will also. 3 is your basic, the minimal amount of colors that you need for any one given object. It's always 3. So 46 were unique, 45 matched, and 29 are analogous. You'll have a rose red pink and another color and another color. So, and that's if you have the both sets. Now, unfortunately, this is going to be a temporary situation because you're not going to be able to get the Starjoy originals after they sell out this season. That pencil set is going to be gone. Then we will start producing new colors to add to this set. So this is your basic set, and then we'll be doing all sorts of things to bring you even more colors. Keep it within the same drawing system, the analogous drawing system that we've created in the basic set. So they're going to fit in nice. So I'm going to let you take a look at what that looks like. Red rose is an analogous, which doesn't mean red roses. There's another red rose. There's an analogous color, and that would be pencil 91. 91 just happens to be cadmium red. So if you take these two colors and you put them next to each other, this is the cadmium red is a little brighter. So this darker of the two would start recessing into, say you have an object that's red, you would use the rose red pink to start moving towards your shadowed area. Colors do not change, lighting changes. So you take your analogous colors and you work your way in. As the area gets darker, your pencils should get darker to the point where you're putting your cast shadow. The pencils with the pink: Georgia peach, peach orange, tawny mango, cantaloupe, yellow ochre, maize, blue mint, Pacific blue, frozen, nanny blue, tropical blue, oh no, not tropical blue, sea fog, plum, mauve, magenta. These are all unique colors to this set. They don't appear in the Starjoy originals. And then we have Lox, Jade, Avocado, Midnight, Brigantine, Cerulean, Early Morning Sky, Aegean, Teal, Cornflower, Royal Purple. Just about all your skin tones are unique to this set. Your color correctors are unique to the set. This one looks very much like the Prismacolor's Clay Rose. Then we have your grays, and a lot of the grays are unique to the set because a lot of people don't realize the importance of gray. And when you have a set that has a lot of gray in it, that's always a good thing. So those are some of the unique colors that come in the set. I'll be working with these pencils for a very long time, and I have many pictures ahead that I will be working with this, and so I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.